How to change password in AOL Mail. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you can actually change password in the AOL Mail app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to change the password for the AOL Mail app, it's very simple. First of all, make sure you have downloaded or updated the AOL Mail app to the latest version, and you can change this by heading over to your app store. In the search box, typing in AOL Mail and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the AOL Mail app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see this is how it's going to look like. So if you want to change your password, go to the inbox section over here. Once you go to inbox, tap on the profile icon on the top left corner and go to the option called settings and tap on manage accounts, which is at the very top. And now what you have to do is simply select this option which is account info. Just go to account information. Once you go to account information, you'll see these kinds of various options. What you have to do is go to the one that says security settings. As you go to security settings, it may ask you to confirm your identity, so go ahead and do that, and you'll be taken to this particular page over here. Now if you want to change your password, you have to scroll and find the option called password, and you can say use a strong unique password. So if you want to change it, just tap on this little change button, and all you have to do is simply enter the new password. So you really even don't want to enter the old password. It is not really necessary. You can just go ahead and enter the new password which you would like to use and just tap on the continue button. So what I will do is also just go ahead and select the new password and just tap on the continue button over here. As you tap on the continue button, you can see that our new password is actually active. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then change your password in AOL Mail. You don't even need to remember your old password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.